Let's check out the room here at the Sunseeker. Starting off with the bathroom. It's got a very modern look, very clean feel. The Sunseeker is a new resort, only about a year old, maybe a year and a half now. So it still has a very new feel. Everything looks really nice. Got, of course, a double sink, which is super convenient if you're staying here as a couple. A nice lighting on the mirror, and a beautiful, really large shower, which is great to have. Looking forward to that tomorrow morning. Moving into the room, we've got a little closet area here. They do provide you with a couple of bathrobes, an iron in case you need it if you're here for business, which I think there's a few conferences here, but I'm not sure how many. Mostly people are here probably through their Allegiant bundle deal. But moving into the room itself, very modern feel, just got the premium king here. Wanted to get a nice pool view so that you guys could see the pool area from here. It's got a large pool. We didn't visit that pool today. We actually visited the rooftop pool, which is level blue. It was great to hang out up there. It's actually a 21 plus area with the largest hot tub in Florida. Beautiful pool, fire pits, really great bar with some great food and drinks. But, that's the downstairs pool, very large pool, and it's got a really nice infinity pool that overlooks Charlotte Harbor, along with a nice hot tub for when it's a little cooler outside like it is now. Not quite as large as the hot tub upstairs, but still a nice size. Checking out the room itself, you got some nice convenient amenities. Obviously a very new and clean feel. Comfortable bed, very clean sheets, and modern lighting. As you can see right over here, you can set it to bright, medium, or low modes, and you're going to see a lot of brighter lighting in this hotel room versus other hotel rooms, which are rather dim. So that's something that I really like. And then of course you got some really nice adjustments available for the fan. So just for convenience sake, you've got some, outlets and USB ports here on the nightstands. One thing that kind of disappointed me is I didn't see any USB-C ports, which I think was a major oversight, seeing that USB-C is kind of the direction where things are moving, and these were installed only a year ago, but that's okay, The TV is very large, one of the highlights of the room. I'd say probably a 72-inch, maybe even an 80-inch TV. It's pretty large. So that's nice to see in case you want to wind down and relax with some TV at the end of the night. Overall, great room, nice coffee maker. You get 2 complimentary bottles of water when you come in, but you also have some cups available and some ice maker right down the hall, and they've got these nice water stations right down the hall where you can get some good spring water without having to touch anything, just holding up the cup to the machine. And obviously you have some coffee available to you with a Keurig, so that's always nice to have. But overall, a great room. One last thing, you also have a fridge here. No microwave available in the room, but you do have a fridge available to you. I think we had a little burrito in there, so that's always good to have. But yeah, if you decide to stay at the Sunseeker, I think you'll be pleased with the room. I think you'll be pleased with the amenities. The price isn't too bad. We got this room on the Florida, Georgia resident rate for only $191, so not too bad at all. I'd highly recommend it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Drop a comment, drop a like, drop a share.